Hi, I'm Sam from the DIY lifestyle blog Awesam, and today I'm going to be showing you one of my favorite cookie decorating techniques. So let's get started. Once you've made our cookie dough recipe or your favorite cookie dough recipe, you want to use liquid food coloring and color your doughs. I went with pink, yellow, and green, as you can see here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make the tree. So first step is rolling out your green dough. You want to do this when your dough is just chilled enough to be able to roll out. You want to roll it out to about 1/4 inch thickness. Now that the dough is rolled out, you're going to take your tree cookie cutter and just mark where they're going to go. You don't want to cut all the way through, but this will help as a guide for when you put the decorations on. Now comes the fun part. Take your colored dough and decorate the trees however you'd like. I'm gonna put a piece on the top for the star, and you don't have to be precise here because when we go to cut out the tree with the cookie cutter, it will cut out the star. And then for the rest of them, I'm gonna fill it in with ornaments. So grab a little piece of dough, form it into a ball shape, and press the dough in to get a little ornament or light shape there. Keep going in a zigzag pattern down the tree. Now that I'm finishing up my last cookie, I'm gonna pop this into the refrigerator for about 30 minutes to an hour until it's cool enough to cut out with the cutter. Just grab this out of the refrigerator, and now I'm going to take my tree cutter and go right on those places, those little dents that we made in the very beginning, to cut all the way through the dough. As you can see, now here's where the star actually gets cut out. And carefully remove the cutter. Sometimes the star gets a little stuck, and continue doing that with the rest of your trees. Alright, now that we have all the trees cut out, we're going to transfer these onto a baking sheet. You can save the extra dough that you did if it has other colors in it. You can mush it all up, marble it, create a whole other pattern with it. Once you've put all of your cookies onto your baking sheet, I would pop them back into the refrigerator for about 10 minutes. They tend to spread a little bit less once they've been refrigerated, and then bake according to your recipe. Just grab my cookies from the oven, and here is our finished Christmas tree cookie. Colored dough holiday cookies made by Sam Shiro.